Off we go to shoot some fireworks off.
That's right. For 5,000 pound firework right here.
And we got the big man right there. That's just part of our grand finale.
In the back seat, ready to roll.
Yep. And off we go. This is all the fireworks beforehand.
This is bullshit. There ain't no fuse. Just don't light. Look at this. Like a Christmas present.
Except it isn't Christmas.
Is it a good one or a bad Christmas present, Pat?
There's no fuse, so it's got to be a bad Christmas present.
Unless you gotta unwind. Gibbs said you gotta unwind them.
Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
They don't unwind themselves?
Only on days that end in Y, but. There you go.
Ooh.
Did you find the fuse? Unless they buried it in the center.
I found a fuse. I found a fuse.
There are.
Fucking short one.
We should get some video shooting.
Yeah, if you want.
Probably leave this cellophane on.
Yeah. Wow.
That's all the fuse there is?
I guess. Holy shit.
Look at that, Russian. That's all the fuse they give on this.
Oh, dude, Pat, you'll be fine. It takes forever to get. I'm serious. You'll be fine.
Are we doing this now?
Are we doing this now?
I can see.
Pat, here's the light. Here, let me light it up so you can see what you're doing.
Here, take this end, hold it. Hold that end.
See,
No,
grab
the other
this
end.
end. Grab it.
Hold on.
What's that? Lay this down, roll it out. Alright.
Where are we going with this?
I'd
Right here?
let it down if I was you.
Huh?
I'd lay it down if I was you.
Okay.
Give me that lighter there, Russ.